Welcome! Today I am with XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite 5G and I will show you how easy you can apply tempered glass on your display. So at first you have to prepare the good source of light. We have to see a very mess that we have on the screen. Next you have to open the box with your tempered glass. And you will find also here wipes, wet and dry. And at the first we are going to use the wet one. So right now just make gestures in the circle like that. Next you have to grab the dry one. And just do the same. And of course, if you take a look closely, we got here already installed protection film, but I'm not going to remove it because it's a test smartphone, so I cannot just take it off. I will apply tempered glass on this foil, but the installation process looks the same like without it, so don't mind about that. As you can see right now, the screen is good condition, so we have to simply grab our glass, take off this foil, I mean the sticker, but as you can see the foil is not following the sticker, so we have to put our fingernail right here on the edge. And we have to try to remove foil because this sticker doesn't help us. Okay, I almost got it. Yeah, okay. There it is. So sometimes it happens that when you take off the sticker, the foil doesn't follow, but you don't have to worry about that. Just try to take off the foil manually. And unfortunately, when you take a look here, you can spot that something comes under this tempered glass. So you can try to remove it with wet wipe. And take it to one of the edge, just like that. And the same with the other things. As you can see here, it's also something, and it's not right here, it's under. So let's try to make it like that. Just swipe it to the one of the edge. Let me take a look. Okay, I think right now it looks good. Take a look on the screen one more time, and right now we can easily put it right here. You have to keep holding the bottom part. You can turn on your screen. Okay, right now it's good, so we can put it just like that. And take a look. When you swipe with our finger, it will goes almost automatically. And right now we can use this dry wipe and take it off the fingerprints from the tempered glass. And as you can see right now, we are ready and we can use our smartphone with tempered glass. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.